Let's talk dashboard methodology. Eunoia Consultants brings you a 7-step approach to creating a dashboard that will make sense to you and the audience. Step 1. Understand the data. We ask questions like, what is the composition of the data? Know the fields and the field types. Step 2. Understand the objective. What is that we need to know from the data or the information we have? Can it be further analyzed to make business sense? Step 3. Create instructions. What is it that I need to do in order to meet my objectives? This is a step-by-step to ensure you are guided appropriately. Step 4. Identify formulas and tools. A tool is only as good as the user. You need to know what you can use to create solutions for your data. Step 5. Implement analysis. Do your formulas and analysis. Step 6. Create final presentation. Create your dashboard that will make sense for the team, management, or colleagues. And finally, step 7. Review data and formulas. Your dashboard is only as good as your methodology, and Eunoia Consultants recommends using this methodology to make sure you come up with the right methodology that will suit your reporting and key performance indicator monitoring and assessment.